Live tooling is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of specialized tools that are mounted on a CNC, computer numerical control, lathe or milling machine. These tools are designed to perform various operations such as drilling, tapping, milling, and turning, while the workpiece is still in the machine. This eliminates the need for manual intervention and reduces the time required to complete a job. Live tooling is particularly useful for complex parts that require multiple operations, as it allows for faster and more efficient production. Live tooling is a highly specialized service that requires skilled technicians and advanced machinery. The process involves the use of high-speed spindles, which rotate the tool at high speeds, and advanced software that controls the movement of the tool. The tools themselves are designed to be modular, allowing for quick and easy changes between different operations. This flexibility makes live tooling an ideal solution for manufacturers who need to produce a wide range of parts quickly and efficiently. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a variety of industries. The company has a team of skilled technicians and advanced machinery that allows them to offer a wide range of services, including live tooling. Berkness Company understands the importance of staying up to date with the latest technology and techniques in the industry, which is why they invest heavily in their equipment and training programs. If you are interested in learning more about live tooling and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, Berkness Company is the perfect partner. Their team of experts can help you determine the best approach for your specific needs and provide you with high-quality parts and components that meet your exact specifications. To learn more about live tooling and other services offered by Berkness Company, visit their Contact Us page on the site and fill out the form to get in touch with their team. FAQs. 1. What is live tooling in manufacturing? Live tooling refers to the ability of a machine tool to perform secondary operations such as drilling, tapping, and milling while the workpiece remains in the same position. This is achieved by having rotating tooling attachments that are powered by the machine's spindle. 2. What are the benefits of live tooling? Live tooling offers several benefits in manufacturing, including increased productivity, reduced setup time, and improved accuracy. By performing multiple operations in one setup, live tooling eliminates the need for additional machines and reduces the time and cost associated with moving the workpiece between machines. 3. What types of machines can use live tooling? Live tooling is commonly used in CNC lathes and turning centers, as well as in some milling machines. The availability of live tooling depends on the specific machine and its capabilities, so it is important to check with the manufacturer or supplier to determine if a particular machine can support live tooling. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.